I'm Nate, and I participated in STEM Wars for the first time in Jackson, Mississippi. And I had so much fun. I did drone aviation, which was drone flying a drone through an obstacle course, and it was very fun.
I did with STEM Wars was the graphic design.
The AI, about how she explained about how it's
Oh, I like the class about money. I don't know what it's called no more. Cryptocurrency? Yeah, because he taught us how that we can invest and save and stuff like that, and the different bank accounts and all that. Then I like the robotic class too.
I love that. Thank you. Something you love today?
Hey, Kings and Queens. My name is Mark, and I really love the legacy team with music production. And yeah, that was the best part of like all of it. And of course, the queen behind the camera. I loved her class, and yeah.
Thank you, Mark. What you enjoyed today with STEM Wars? Speak up for me.
I just enjoyed how we learned about AIs, and then the class that we learned about websites, how to make a website. That was one of my favorite classes for today.
Could you see yourself doing that in the future? Maybe making some money?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, great.
I liked it when we was driving the robot cars. It was interesting. We learned how to do like the different codes on the tablet. I liked it. That was my favorite part.
It was a good day today. It was a good day, man.